The McMillans proudly trace their lineage back to an ancient royal house, and the Celtic Church. In the 6th century, the illustrious Irish prince, Saint Columba, founded his church on Iona, an island in the Inner Hebrides of Scotland. Iona became the cradle of Christianity in Gaelic Scotland, and the Celtic Church it hosted allowed priests to marry, distinguishing it from the Roman Catholic practices. The name MacMillan derives from Gaelic roots, with Mac signifying son of and Mhaoillain referring to the distinctive tonsure of St. John. The Celtic tonsure, which set the MacMillans apart, involved shaving the hair over the front of the head rather than in the Roman manner of a ring around the crown. Another variation, Mac Ghillemhaiol, meaning son of the tonsured servant, was preferred by the Lochaber branch of the clan. Over time, the clan MacMillan found their home in Lochaber, particularly near the shores of Loch Arkaig. This coincided with the mormaership of Moray being abolished, and Norman knights settling in the region. By the end of the 13th century, the MacMillans had firmly established themselves in the Scottish Highlands. The MacMillans played significant roles in Scottish history during the War of Independence, and the Jacobite uprisings. When the death of Margaret, the Maid of Norway, sparked events leading to the War of Independence, the MacMillans found themselves embroiled in the conflict. Notably, they were involved in the Battle of Bannockburn, fighting alongside King Robert the Bruce. During the Jacobite uprisings, the MacMillans' loyalties were divided. While some joined the Jacobite cause, others remained loyal to the Lordship of the Isles. Notably, the MacMillans fought at Culloden, the last pitched battle on British soil, where the Jacobite forces faced devastating defeat. As generations passed, the direct line of MacMillan chiefs eventually became extinct. However, the chiefship was later revived when it passed to the MacMillans of Dunmore in 1742. The MacMillans of this time were not fervent Jacobites, although individual members participated in the Jacobite uprisings in various capacities. General Sir Gordon MacMillan, the father of the present chief, played a crucial role in reviving the chiefly memory. He discovered his true pedigree, establishing him as the hereditary chief of Clan MacMillan. In this way, the legacy of Clan MacMillan was reignited, and Finlayston House in Renfrewshire became the seat of the chiefs.